All right, here we go again, round two. Bringing up the ThinkGear ASIC module again. MPU-6050 gyroscope accelerometer right here. This runs off of serial data. It's 11.2K right now with the Kalman filter, so everything's going to be running smooth on that one, hopefully. Then we have the ThinkGear ASIC module. Last time on my last video, we put this pin 12 to pin 9 jumper right there to ensure the physical 9600 baud rate on that. Power supply at 3.3 volts, send and receive, transmitting serial data on that one. I2C on the MPU-6050 type of serial data. If you don't know what that is, we're going to have to do some work. Right now, we're just to do a quick demo here. We'll make sure we're receiving up of our MPU-6050. There's our data stream right there. So, like, motion looks good. Okay, everything I have right now is mounted onto a board right here on the left-hand side of my head. These cables right here are 3-portion cables right here. We have one that's a ground, receiving any type of static electricity. And ejected away from our other sensors right here. Second sensor is the ThinkGear ASIC module itself, running at the 9600 baud rate. That's a burst of spontaneous brain activity every 1 second is what we're receiving up of that. The very first value right here, 0, shows that I definitely have a good connection. These sector spaces right here are attention and meditation scans that are off of the NeuroSky ThinkGear libraries. Yeah, these data portions right here are running smoothly right now. I did have the more graphical processing examples running at the same time, but I couldn't make a video with that because it was draining my GPU. It was a little too much for that. But yeah, okay. So real quick, this MPU-6050 is running through one USB port right here. 0, everything's mounted on the right-hand side, left-hand side right there. Quick motion, everything looks good. Isolated power supplies so that there's no interference between the two sensors at all. The other part right here is you can see this every 1 second pulse from the ThinkGear ASIC module. So this second Arduino Nano is receiving data from the other sensor. Now, I think eventually what I'm going to get down into is putting in a third box, third module, which is most likely going to be a web-based system with this MCU-8266 ESP8266 Wi-Fi do-it-yourself device right here. So we'll be flipping lights on and off, and we'll be using a user interface, and we're going to make this an interesting project for everybody to work with. But right now, I just wanted the proof of concept is that you can actually get both sensors to work smoothly without any kind of interference with each other at all. You know, it just means that you're going to have to use 2 different boards. That's all. Unless figure out a way to hold these time these libraries together. But right now, it's just proof of concept. Everything seems to be working good. This is a CS50 project. So yeah, this is my final project, as a matter of fact, for CS50. I want to get this done and get this out of the way so I can go on building other really cool stuff. But yeah, if you want to help me out with that, I do need funding. You can send copy to my Cash App at QuantelChem if you're interested in helping out. Interested in taking your help. Yeah. Yeah, this is just a quick demo. It's not a quick setup. This is, I think, your ASIC module, NeuroSky EEG sensor for the 9600 baud rate. 11 or 115.2K baud rate on the MCU chip. Yeah. This is Quantum Cam. Don't forget to follow. I'm gonna have new videos coming up. I did want to do the quick demo first before I got into the actual build, just to prove that it works, you know. And we will wrap this all up into one neat bundle and have a really cool thing going on. Do-it-yourself project for all people. I've always liked cyborgs. I've always liked, you know, putting together like things that human-machine interfacing is, I think, is the general vibe for the next century right now, is putting humans and machines together and having them respond to each other in different ways. So yeah, definitely follow for more videos because we got some cool stuff coming up. And yeah, thank you for taking the time to show some interest in this project. It's gonna be pretty neat. All right, thank you. Bye bye.